Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to a PC. Connecting your printer wirelessly offers great flexibility and is often the most straightforward method for modern devices. First, ensure both your printer and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then, access your printer's settings to initiate the wireless setup process. This typically involves selecting your network and entering the password, usually a simple, guided procedure. Once your printer is connected to the Wi-Fi, it's time to add it to your computer. On your PC, open the Settings application. From there, go to Bluetooth and Devices, and then select Printers and Scanners. Click the Add a Device button. Your computer will then search for available printers on your network. Select your printer from the list that appears, and your PC will guide you through the final installation steps, which usually take just a few moments. After adding the printer, your computer might automatically install the necessary drivers. However, if it doesn't, you'll need to manually install them. The best place to find these is the printer manufacturer's official website. Locate the support section, search for your specific printer model, and download the latest drivers compatible with your operating system. Installing the correct drivers ensures optimal performance and access to all printer features, making your printing experience smooth and efficient. With the printer added and drivers installed, it's time to test your connection. Open any document or image on your computer that you wish to print. Go to the File menu and select Print. From the list of available printers, choose the one you just set up. Then, click Print to send the job. Printing a test page is an excellent way to confirm everything is working correctly, ensuring your printer is ready for all your printing needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.